Samsung will announce the Galaxy Note 20 series in just a few hours. And while we may think we know everything about the lineup, the company has apparently managed to keep one big secret under wraps so far. Last year, Samsung released only two devices, the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Earlier, it was speculated that Samsung would launch three Galaxy Note 20 phones this year, the Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Plus and the Note 20 Ultra. Later on, it was reported that we will be seeing only two models, the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra, and all the leaks we have seen in the past months have revolved around these two variants. But it turns out that the Galaxy Note 20 range consists of three models as suspected earlier. Twitter user TechHeist has spotted the Galaxy Note 20 Plus on the Samsung Spain website. Sure, it could be a typo, but there is also a slim chance that the Note 20 series will come in three models, just like the S20. It's hard to say how it would differ from the other two models, but if I implement my common sense, then it will probably feature a different screen size and camera specs. It was also previously reported that an LTE-only Galaxy Note 20 would also be available. So maybe this model will be marketed as the Galaxy Note 20 and the 5G ready version will be called the Note 20 Plus. Of course, we're just speculating right now, and to find out if the Galaxy Note 20 Plus actually exists, we don't have to wait that long. Now to recap, the Galaxy Note 20 will likely be powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus or Exynos 990 depending on region. The standard model is expected to offer a 6.7-inch display, a 12-megapixel main camera and a 4300 mAh battery. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra on the other hand will sport a 120Hz 6.9-inch screen, a 108-megapixel main camera, 4500 mAh battery, an upgraded S Pen and a hefty price tag of $1299, while the Note 20 will be priced at $949. Now, Even Plus has also published a set of unwatermarked renders of the Galaxy Fold2 models that shows off the Mystic Black and Mystic Bronze color. Well, we have already seen the other leaks by My Smart Prices, while the Galaxy Z Fold2 is one of the most exciting devices this year. It will come with two AMOLED display. Sitting on the exterior is an extra tall 6.23 inches punch-hole screen that extends to the very edges of the devices and is therefore surrounded by minimal bezel. It's a huge upgrade. Internal screen will come with a 7.7-inch 120Hz display and will also have a similar punch hole. The Galaxy Z Fold2 will feature a 12-megapixel main shooter accompanied by 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 60-megapixel telephoto snapper. This device will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus and it will be coupled with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. And it will cost you as much as $1,980. So, if you like this episode and quality presentation, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.